Another characteristic of zoning that a lot of folks don't think about is the fact that they need to be highly tuned to be effective. That means when you start up a system, and let's say you have 3 or 4 zones, you need to make sure that each zone is getting the proper amount of air, and that if you're using a bypass, it's set up properly. Nowadays, bypasses can be a lot more complicated than the old arm and weight that we used back in the day. And back in the day, you take that weight on the arm of the bypass damper and you slide it back and forth depending on how much air you wanted to go through at a certain pressure. Now there's static pressure sensors, there's a lot more finely tuned zoning equipment, but you have to make sure you test it out. If you have 3 zones closed and 1 zone open, your bypass should be bypassing a lot of air. If it's not, then that small zone probably sounds like there's a 747 landing in that room.